is the Halal restaurant, breakfast in the wild. So you have French toast over here. Looks very nice and hot. Next we have grilled herbs and tomato over here. Wow, looks quite nice. Freshly made. We also have grilled chicken ham over here. We have sauté onion chicken chipolata, like this. We have Cajun chicken and egg wrap. We have some sauces over here. We have chili sauce. We have tomato ketchup. We have some hash browns. And cheesy baked fusilli and beans. Wow, looks nice. Okay, next we will look at the other things. We have some cheese here with nice fruits, vegetable, carrots, cucumber, grapes. This is called cheese pot with grape and relish. So far the food looks very good. We have some jam, strawberry jam, orange marmalade. There we go. Custard pastry and chocolate roll. So this is a custard pastry. Sorry? Okay, start already. Okay, I just record. Thank you. Okay, we have sultana roll with the raisin, chocolate roll, butter croissant. Yeah, start already. Scrambled eggs too. And Benedict egg. We have some drinks here, apple juice, orange juice, ice water. Wow, we also have chi chong curry. Amazing food. Cereal, fruits.
Morning. So you can see there's a little treetop right here on top of it. Yeah.
But everyone has that.
Oh, yeah, they have that black band. So sometimes the band can be very thick. So one of them, donut, the band is very thick. So we recognize them by the thick band. So they all have slightly different, but the dots and the band, some of them.
Just wait, just in the middle of his back from the top.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes. Use the funny fingers as well, they can feel them. Doesn't feel like I thought he would.
Wow. You won't bite, right? Wow. Good bite, I'm not confused. Looks so nice.
Just see her orange eyes means she's actually awake during the day. So for the ones active at night, they will have totally black or dark
Also,
brown
this
eyes.
species is a what species is it?
It's a Bengal eagle owl.
So he's a daytime owl. Oh, I see, I see. Then he eat normally mouse, is it?
Mouse, over here we feed mouse and also some red meat or chicken.
Red meat like beef,
Yeah.
mutton, or
Yeah.
chicken also. Does he eat vegetable or no?
No vegetable, no, only meat.
The mouse, is it live mouse you all feed?
No, we feed frozen.
Frozen one.
Frozen but heat warmer.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see, I see. Oh. How you prevent him from like flying away?
So that's why you see the ankle actually has a,
Oh yeah, this
a bracelet.
one. Mm-hmm.
So that one
Okay,
can
go.
attach to our glove.
Oh.
Yeah, here.
Oh, this one, the,
So we
the
can
hook.
attach it.
I see, I see.
So over there is attached to the branch.
Oh, but normally if forget he will fly away or he will come back.
Can fly
Can
away.
fly away.
But she usually will be quite calm, stay in place.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, he can turn his head so much. For me, my neck a bit stiff, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I must learn from the owl. I see. Normally
Knows
got
where the camera is, she will turn away.
normally got orange eye and the black eye. Is there other color?
Yes, there's one other color which would be yellow.
Yellow. Oh, yellow one is
Pale yellow.
what is it? Afternoon owl or
Yeah, afternoon.
morning?
Yes,
Afternoon.
correct.
Is it
yeah.
really?
So this one is more morning.
So orange is morning,
Yeah.
then yellow is afternoon, black
Yeah.
means nighttime. Oh,
Yes,
really?
that's right.
Very cool.
So we
right?
have one local species, the Malay fish owl, or the buffy fish owl. That one is yellow color.
Oh, afternoon time.
So you might see it around the park.
I see. His claw look very sharp. Is it very painful when he grab your hand?
Yeah, that's why we must wear the
Oh, the
glove.
glove. I see. This one normally catch the mouse, right? The
Yeah,
claw.
that's how they catch.
Then he eat like that. Or he throw from the...
They eat.
No, they
They
just
hold
eat.
it and they eat. Yeah.
Wow. Very interesting. Which is his favorite food? Chicken, mutton, beef, or like... Or
Definitely
not
the,
picky,
The mouse.
The mouse one, is it? Oh, very nice. He's big pain also when he bite you.
Not really, not so big.
Only the claw, right?
Talons are sharp. Yeah.
Wow, I see. Very interesting. Then what you all do to make him happy? Like you all play with him or
We
he
give
need to-
things like enrichment. So
Oh,
for
enrichment.
all the animals, every day we will give something.
enrichment like what? What kind?
So it can be like an object, it can be something. We have 5 different categories lah. So it's like physical, sensory, social, cognitive, nutritional.
Oh, so like study.
So it can be some activity, or it can be an object, or even like a smell or a sound, just to make it
Like
more
the brain
interesting.
active.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I see sometimes they like have the puzzle like put the ring on the hook or something. Is it something like that?
So some different
Or
birds
put the
like,
colors according
like
to
crows, I think, are very intelligent. They use tools to encourage that kind of object manipulation.
Oh.
For her, maybe it can be like hiding the food somewhere, so she's to
Oh, then you
find.
have to find.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. But do you need to keep changing the games sometime? Will he get bored or?
Yeah, so if we try not to repeat too many times, usually it will be something different every day.
I see. Very interesting. Thank you for the very interesting
You're
lesson.
welcome.